are you doing?
So, while this is something else, while live on another channel, hello OG, I will be scrambling an egg. I've already got everything mixed up in the bowl, and the pan is hot. So we will pour.
Wonderful.
We will.
I wish we could see you cooking.
You will, if the video turns out well, you'll see it.
Oh, you're filming now?
I'm videoing as we speak.
Okay.
So
Well, that's fine. I'm happy with that. OG says to give him back his gummy bears.
he can have them. The ones I didn't eat.
This isn't a cappuccino, but it's a Hawaiian hazelnut coffee with Baileys and whipped cream.
So, in this, everybody does their scrambled eggs a little different. I like mine to be done but not dry. So this takes a little bit of time, but to me it's well worth the time. They pardon?
Oh, go ahead.
It just, like I say, it takes a little extra time, but to me it's well worth the time.
I found that if you throw an egg or several eggs in the blender, blend it, and then do it in your pan, they come out so much fluffier.
Yep.
It's crazy.
I put the eggs into a bowl, and I add my salt and pepper and a couple other things that I'm not going to give the secret away. And then, because they're just to my personal taste. That's all.
That's not sharing with humanity.
I just shared that I put salt and pepper in there, and then I mix them in a bowl beforehand. And I'm showing my secret way to get them done, but still be moist. So, you know, there is that. I'm just not giving away all of my secrets. I'm giving away many of my secrets.
All right.
So.
Anna, welcome in. Anna, Upi. How's Upi, Anna? How are you and Upi?
I hope they're both doing great.
Yeah, we miss Upi. We miss you and Upi. Yeah, when I made my mother the quiche, it was kind of like a quiche, but it was a vegetable casserole. I did the egg and I whipped the egg. I blended the egg in the blender, and that came out like, while it was in the oven, it actually rose like a cake, and it browned like a cake. And it was, I just did it in a little square, like a brownie pan, and it literally rose perfectly in the middle, and it browned, and it looked like a cake when it came out. And oh my gosh, it was so good. Oh, she says all is good. Doodle bim.
Good.
Thank you, Anna.
That's
How did it go? Muito obrigada. Yes, that's how you say thank you.
yeah. The Portuguese is so close to Spanish. When somebody's speaking Portuguese, to me it sounds like Spanish, that I just don't know.
Hey Roger, welcome in. Good to see you.
So now the egg's beginning to cook. So I turn the temperature down just a little.
Oh gosh, you're making me hungry now. I had leftovers. I think I had the rest of my shish kebabs that I made, steak kebabs with rice and corn. I had the rest of that for dinner.
And
I'm thinking omelet, cheese, and tomato.
and I'm pushing the cooked portion of egg to the side and letting the liquid go down to the warm or hot pan, and that way the egg stays moist and only the liquid is cooking, pretty much. And eventually it'll get to the point where there's no liquid, and I'll flip it one time, kind of like an omelet, but it's not. And it just turns out, like I said, it's cooked, but it's moist. I mean, very moist. You don't get those brown spots, you know, when you're overcooking. Does that make sense?
Yes, because then that dries it out. Once you get to the browning, it's pretty much dry like an omelet. And that's why I like to stuff mine with tomatoes and onions and cheese. And
Right.
jalapenos if I have them. Anything, actually. You can even put a pizza inside your omelet.
I almost put pepperoni in this one.
A sausage would be good, bacon.
Yeah, I wish. I have to do turkey sausage.
Okay, yeah, that's good too.
Yeah.
Whatever you like, it doesn't matter. In the right place at the right time, and can cavalcade Arizona's rich history from. Okay, this is Arizona's horse cup right here.
Cool.